So now we're going to convert Smart Notebook files to images, because maybe the program you're going to use, you want to do each page as a different image. So first things first, if you had tables and you were using the cell shade, you need to uncover them. These have the answers, so I'm going to leave them covered. Well, what about that movable shade? Same thing. I need to get rid of it because once I create it into an image, I can't get rid of it. So we're going to go in the upper left corner to File, Export as Image Files. So I want, no, that was it. I want to title it Smartboard to Image Files, just like it had it. I tested this before, so that's why that was there. I could create, I could do, wrong one, let's see. There we go. We could do Smart Notebook to Image Files. So I want to keep it, I could do PNG, JPEG. Let's do JPEG, why not? And hit OK. So it's saying my folder, Smart Notebook to Image Files, doesn't exist. Do I want to create it? Absolutely. So I might do it like my lesson number. Unit 1, Lesson 1, you know, whatever you want to title them. So yes, I want to create that folder. So up here, it says Smart Notebook to Image Files. Click inside, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So these are all JPEGs, are all images. And did I have 5 slides in Notebook? 5 slides. So that is how to convert Smart Notebook to images.